Alrighty, we're going to go into this combo, and this combo is going to take us stepping up through the repetitions. So what we're going to do is start out with 10 skips of the jump rope, then move our way down to one natural sit-up, then we get into one pull-up, and then back over here for one natural side sit-up, and then we move into one push-up, and then one rotational sit-up, and then we start again with the combo, doing this time 20 skips with the jump rope, then back down to 2 natural sit-ups, 2 pull-ups, 2 side sit-ups, 2 push-ups, 2 rotational sit-ups, 30 skips, 3 sit-ups, 3 pull-ups, and so on and so forth. What we're going to do is step our way up to 5 for the main bulk of the repetitions. And if we're feeling spunky, we can go up to 10. If we're feeling supercharged, we can work our way back down to 1. We'll see how it goes. But mainly this is to give you an example of this particular type of session. So, starting off with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then 1, 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 and back to the skips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. And on to round 3. 10, 20, 30. 1, 2, 3. Keeping it moving. Got push-ups. To round 4. 4 more. 10. 20. 30. 40. Main thing, you're keeping it moving. Control your descent will help your swinging or keep from swinging. If you don't control your descent, you'll be swinging all over the place. Round 5. Round 5. 10. 20. 30. 40. 50. The pull-ups. The side sit-ups. The push-ups. Rotational sit-ups. All right. Hey, let's head back down. Ten, 20, 30, 40. Oops, I did too many. Pull-ups. It's waning. Side sit-ups. The push-ups. rotational sit-ups. Skips. 10, 20, 30. A 1, a 2, and a 3. 3 licks. Pull-ups. Oh yeah. Side sit-ups. Push-ups. Rotational. Twenty rope skips. 10, 20. 2 natural sit-ups. Do pull-ups. Two side sit-ups. 2 push-ups. 2 rotationals. Last round. 10 skips. 10. 1 sit-ups. 1 pull-up. 1 side sit-up. 1 push-up. 1 rotational sit-up. And we are done. All right. That was nice. So that was a stair step from 1 to 5, back down to 1. For review, we're doing jump ropes, natural sit-ups, pull-ups, natural side sit-ups, push-ups, rotational sit-ups, and then repeat the combo. Repeat the circuit. Okay. Hope you enjoyed that. Hope you enjoyed this. Get at it. Have a good time. Let us know how you feel about the session, and we'll get with you soon.